Wednesday's lessons are going to be 7-3 and 7-4. So we're going to be counting by tens. My friends, this is a very important teaching time. I will also post a link to a video for you later today. I will post it in Google Classroom so that you can see and practice on the computer, and if there's anything else to help you remember, okay? So one of these full charts, remember we looked at it in the last lesson, this whole thing is called a 10 frame, because there's 10 boxes, and when they're all filled up, that number represents the number 10, okay? And there's two ways to write the number 10, a number and a word, okay? So this is something that you guys will also need to know, because they're spelled a certain way, and sometimes math problems will have you write them in numbers, and sometimes they'll have to be in words. So you'll just have to remember how to do that, okay? But when you're counting, you're gonna count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Just like you guys would count by 10, like counting up to 10, you would be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The only difference is now, instead of it being a 1, now it's 10. Instead of a 2, it's 20. Instead of a 3, it's 30. Instead of a 4, it's 40, and so on, okay? So just know when you're counting by tens, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. Just like at this example. All my 10 frames are full, so I'm gonna count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, which means how many groups of tens did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of tens, the number is 40, and the spelling is up here, F-O-R-T-Y. Got it? All right, I'm gonna help you with number 1. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many groups of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was the number that we stopped at? 50. How do I spell 50? It's up here. F-I-F-T-Y. Got it? All right. So you guys will have to be doing this one on your own. Okay? Count by tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What's after 50? 60. How many groups of 10 did I get? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number did we stop at? What is 6 groups of 10? It's 60. And how do I write the number 60? There it is. Okay? Number 3 is all on your own. Okay, and you're gonna get more practice here, so I want you to do the same thing. You're just gonna count right here. How many tens? So count how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And what does that equal? 10, 20, 30, 40. If you forget the order, look up here. That's the order. And then how do I spell the number 40? Oh, it's up here. F-O-R-T-Y. Okay? All right, so these are going to be on your own, number 2 and 3. All right, number 4. Laura wants to show 70 in tens. How many tens will she draw? If you don't remember, friends, sometimes I don't remember. Always use a picture or use something to represent. Okay, so I'm going to use my blocks just because I don't think I'll have enough room to write. But each block is going to be a 10 frame for me. Okay, so 70. So help me count by tens until I get to 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many tens did I draw? How many tens should I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer should say, Laura should draw 7 7/10 because 7/10 equals 70. Okay? There you go. And then for lesson 7-4, we're going to use a number chart. So here's our number chart. We're going to be counting after 100. Look, we usually stop at 100, but look, it keeps going. So when you do count, if you see this beginning number, you're not starting at number 1. You're not starting at 44. You're going to start at this number, the first number. So wherever it is, oh, there it is, 103. So what are the next numbers? 104 and 105 or 105. For this one, it says start at 115. Okay, so start at 115. There it is. And what's next? 116. And then 117. I'll help you with number 1. So you're counting by ones. That means you're just going to the next numbers, okay? So starting at 105, we're going to fill in these answers, okay? So let's do it together. So there's 105. Let's go to the next number. 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Easy peasy? All right. So in this one, you're going to start at 111, which is right here. And then number 3, find 98, and then fill in from there. Okay? Easy peasy. And then same with these problems, my friends. You can do this. Just go back to your chart. Okay? Or look at a different number line or a hundreds chart on a computer or something to help you if this is too hard. But you have the chart right there to help you. All right, for number 5, the school lockers show the numbers in order. What's the missing number? We have 108, 109, I don't know, and 111. I'm gonna go back to my number chart for this. 108, 109. What's after 109? 110. There's my answer. 110. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that is all for Wednesday. I'm gonna move on to Thursdays.